How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with me, your boy D Yang. Let's do some talking first. Let me explain why it's been slow for my content, and we'll get right into it. So if you guys been following my Instagram, which is the link down below, I made a post about, I think, a week or two ago, and I recently got injured, right? I went to Indian Ford to fish for some panfish slash white bass. It was a dramatic entrance, and I honestly thought it was hilarious because all the anglers along the shoreline there saw exactly what happened. I'm sad that I didn't get it on film because I was just arriving to the spot. I was walking down the rocks, slippery boulders slash rocks. I fell. I hit 3 rocks on my way down into the water. It was the funniest thing ever, and I was not embarrassed like I was, but then I laughed. I laughed my butt off. Everybody there, I didn't care if they laughed or what, but it was funny, right? I slipped on those 3 rocks. I hit those 3 rocks into the water. Ice cold water, all the way to my neck, like lay flat on my back, and it was a hilarious fall. It was funny. It was just hilarious. Yeah, I could tell that all the anglers there, they were trying so hard to hold in their laugh because they're like, wow, D Yang just went in. He went swimming that morning, and yeah, it was funny. So I didn't really feel anything until the day after, right? That's how it goes. I thought I was okay, and a day or two passed. My legs was bruised. You guys see in the picture here. My legs, my hip. I didn't get a picture of my hip, but my shin was, there was like an avocado on my shin. It was huge. I wasn't able to walk very well. I did limp. Any pressure I applied on my right leg, right ankle, right foot, left thigh here, left hip, my shoulder was bruised, and I was like, whoa, I did not think I hit the rocks that hard, but I did. So that was what happened when I went out to fish for these white bass and panfish. I still had a good time. I had a good laugh. I'm glad people... It's okay to laugh, right? It was funny. I thought it was hilarious. Enough talking. We're going to watch the clip. There's going to be no ending to it. No outro, intro, whatever. Just, if you guys like this video, you guys know the drill. Yeah, just enjoy. And I'll see you guys very soon again. Stay tuned. Right, still kind of early. It's only noon, so some news just left, and they said that, oh jeez, it slowed down by a lot. I don't know what that means. I'm just gonna give it a shot. Might not be time yet, you know. Might still be too early to tell. Oh, I got one. Nice. She got a fish. Yes. Ho ho. What we got? And we got ourselves a little white bass. Yes. I knew they were here somewhere. Look how cute that thing is. Hey. Okay. Got him. There we go. Oh, what is this? Oh, what we got? Oh, it's a baby walleye. It's been so long. We meet again. That's so cool. It's been so long. Yeah, that feels so good. Look at this, guys. Oh, jeez. Chill. Got him. There we go. What we got here? Little white bass. Yo. Thanks, buddy. Now I can wash my hand. Hey, feels good to catch these guys. There we go. We got another one. Oh, itty bitty white bass. Oh my gosh. Look how tiny they are. Starting to rain. Hopefully that brings them in, you know. Got them. Oh, we're just hammering it now. Oh, we got a perch. Pinky. Nice. Little perch. Got him. Man, there's a ton of them. Could be a good thing or a bad thing, I don't know. They're so tiny. Good for cut bait for sure. Gotta bring my catfish rod. And it's raining. Oh, got him. Holy smoke. There's so many. Get bigger. So pretty though. I know where the school's at. I just find a crappies. Golly, so many white bass. So tiny. This one's a little chunkier. We're gonna try out the swim bait real quick. See what happens. Jeez. Let's see what. Oh, I got a fish. Nice. Okay, okay, okay. White bass. White bass. There's a lot of these little dudes. It's not a good thing. If there's too many, then can't get to the crappies. Dang, what the freak? So many. My gosh, man. They're fat. Jeez. What the heck? Right away. Oh my gosh. You hit it so hard. Oh, it's a perch. Okay, I'll take this perch. Finally. Take it. That's a nice fish. There you go.
That's a really nice fish, finally. Oh, it's a big white bass. Yeah, we'll keep this guy. Oh man, the water went up, they got bigger. They're still pretty small, but I'll take it for a meal. There we go. Oh, I got a largemouth. Fat old largemouth, dude. Oh, look at that nice guy. Fat large. Oh, jeez. Bro. There we go. That's a nice one. That's a nice fish. That's what we're looking for right there. Hey. That's a nice fish. Oh yeah. It's a decent white bass. There we go. Yeah, finally. Sheesh. Inhaled it too. Nice white bass. That's a nice fish. Okay. Hey, we got a white bass. Finally. I thought it was a crappie.